Hey, welcome back to my channel. This your girl Nika Boo coming back with a tutorial for ya on these beautiful crocheted braids. It is the jumbo twist from Havana Mega Braids. There's 24 strands in a pack, 14 and 16 inches, 12 for both. It was $19.99 at my local beauty supply stores. The prices be taxi here where I'm from, so maybe cheaper where you are. Anyways, as you can see, I'm looking oh so crazy because I already started cutting one side. I got my ADD moment going on right now. So before the camera started rolling, I already had that. As you can see, the braid pattern. Every two braids I connected the two braids, so it will give you a actual part that ends instead of more or less a part that continues to go on. So I didn't want that like infinity part, so that's why I did it the way I did. So here, as you can see, the actual braids. It looks beautiful and gorgeous, honey. So it didn't really matter which one you start with if you're like me and you're ended up cutting it more even all around. So as you can see right here, I am cutting the end part of the braid, and this is so it can be easily untangled. I had crochet braids in the past that was very difficult to untangle to actually install. So what I do now is split it. This braid these crochets wasn't bad at all to untangle, as you can see, but like I said in the past, it was very difficult. So what I usually do is split the braids into 3 parts. So here is the needle that we're going to use to help install the braids. So typically what I would try to do is install the needle, I should say insert the needle through the braid, so it would cause less tension. However, as you can see, I am on the struggle bus right now. I'm trying to get that needle through the actual braid and not underneath the braid. I apologize for my hair looking very thirsty right now. So here we go. You're going to just take the hair, put it on the needle. Once it is secure, you will close the latch through the braid. And once it's through the braid, you would unlatch it, so the loop that you had made, you would just pull the hair through it. So when you go to tie it off, I usually tie it multiple times. I didn't really do this first braid because, as you can see, I was struggling, like major struggling. But anyway, so the more you tie it off, the easier it will become to find where to cut to take down your hair. So the more you do it, the better it is to find that spot, that safe spot to actually cut to unravel or uninstall the hair. All right, now at the very top of the hair, usually most people do an invisible part, which you will just take one part of the hair instead of both, and you just loop through one part at a time, one part period, and then but I didn't really do the invisible part because I didn't think it was needed. I didn't mind, it's crochet. The rest of the hair you can tell. So but anyways, as you can see, I'm just cutting away. No rhyme or reason why I'm cutting the way I am. But, I'm not a professional, so I was just cutting to my liking. This little gadget here, this water bottle, is amazing. I emphasize that. It sprays. It's like a little mist and not a actual, like, water bottle that spritz out a lot of hair or a lot of water. So I just want to get it damped and not like completely wet. I think it just helps actually, bring the curls back to life. So with the mousse, as you can see, I get the olive oil from Walmart. It was cheap, about $5. As you can see, I put a generous amount on my hands to help revive those curls. This crochet hair, it wasn't too bad. I found myself after like a week having to cut a little bit more because it got really matted a lot. I had it in for about a week and a half with no issues. It did shed, of course. It shed a little bit, but not too bad. I just pretty much had problems with the fact that it matted a lot. So I ended up cutting a little bit more, like once a week. Sometimes it was like 2 to 3 times a week. But I actually liked it after, being forced to cut more of it. I was able to really frame my face a lot more than I did in the beginning. So alright, now we're just putting it up in a little style, quick little style, so we can get those edges slicked down. What I'm using is jam. The old school jam. Yes, I did. It's the first thing I found in my closet. Jam worked very well, but it does not last, people. Yes, give them shoulders, give them clavicle. Yes, Nika, yes. Have to feel myself. If you don't love you, who will? Gotta cut that. Alright, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you love the way I styled this. If you didn't like my video, give me a thumbs down. But do me a favor. Tell me why in the comment section. If you love this video, this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, share my video. Let me know what you think about it. Until next time, people, peace, love, and keep God first.